Okay. Happy New Year, guys. Welcome back to Carla's Kitchen. So guys, this is going to be my first video for the new year. And I decided to do some to make a drink. So the drink that I'm going to be making today in this video is sorrel and pineapple. So I'm going to make some pineapple and sorrel drink. So I have my pineapple peel already in the pot. And I have my ginger, and I grated the ginger, and the reason why I did that, it is stronger this way when you grate it. And I have 4 lemons over here. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so now I'm going to proceed with the sorrel in the pot. So I add my sorrel to my pot. Now I'm going to add my ginger. Alright. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm not going to boil this because I don't boil sorrel and I don't boil pineapple when I'm making pineapple juice. So I have some hot water. I'm going to pour my hot water over it. And of course, I'm going to need more water. So this is how I do it, guys. I pour my hot water over it. I give it a little stir to blend in my ginger. And then after that, I'm going to cover my pot. I'm going to cover my pot and I'm going to let this draw. I'm going to let it draw for about 30 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you guys what is going on. Alright? The sorrel finished drawing. So I'm going to let it cool. As you can see, it's very hot. So I am going to let it cool down before I, sweeten it. Alright, so I'm going to let this cool, so then I'll, do the next step. Okay guys, so I already strained off the sorrel off camera, but I'm going to use this again. I'm going to draw this again, guys. I'm going to grate some more ginger, put in it, and I'm going to draw that again. So this is the sorrel over here and the pineapple. So I'm going to go ahead now and squeeze my lemon in it, and then I'm going to start to sweeten it. And guys, you can sweeten it to your taste, to your liking. Okay? And guys, like I said, you sweeten it to your own taste. So I'm going to taste it now to see if I need more sugar. Yes, I definitely do. So I'm going to add some more sugar. Okay guys, so let me taste it again. Okay guys, so I'm gonna drink some of this lovely sorrel pineapple juice and tell you what's going on for it. Alright? Stir it up a little bit, get it chill, you know? Guys, very refreshing. Very refreshing, guys. The ginger in it along with the lemon juice. Mwah, very refreshing. The ginger kicks it up a whole lot. It tastes so good, guys. Try it at home. Try it at home. So I'm gonna put the link down below in the description so you can check it out and make it for yourself. Very lovely drink. Thank you so much to all my old subscribers and thanks to all my new subscribers. To the viewing public, thank you so much. To my well-wishers, thank you so much. Guys, remember to check out my Facebook page, Carly's Kitchen. Remember to check out my Pinterest page. All the links are going to be down in the description. So guys, take care of yourself. Walk good, be kind to each other and be kind to yourself. Guys, I'm going to see you again in another video. Happy New Year again, guys. Love you all. Bye.